Suture can also be utilized efficiently to secure certain items to a patient's body. In this particular case, we have a feeding tube coming out of the stomach and out of the flank of a cat. And in order to ensure that this stomach tube remains in place throughout the feeding time, suture is utilized in what is referred to as a Chinese finger trap friction suture to ensure that the tube will remain in place and that it will not inadvertently be prematurely removed. The suture materials of choice are relatively large gauge, monofilament, non-absorbables such as nylon, polypropylene, or Novafil. Notice that with these types of materials, when the square knot is tied over the tube, if the surgeon places additional traction or tension onto the suture, the square knot will actually tie tighter and will encourage the suture to gently crimp the tube, thus offering a more secure closure. So notice as the square knot is tied, notice how this first throw is loose, but as the surgeon continues to pull, that square knot actually slips and offers a much more secure closure. This Chinese finger trap friction suture is done 4 times up the tube, and as you can see here, in attempting to pull this tube to failure, the suture grips the tube as the tube is being pulled.